Hey, how's it going? It's me, Walter Coulter, with Cornacopa, with another quick tip on how to build your wealth. Today, I'm talking about using the down payment on your car to build your credit. Let's get to it. Let's take $3,000, right, and put that to the side. Let's assume you're going to put that down on a car that's going to cost you a total of about $10,000. Now, what most people would do is they would take that $3,000, put it down, buy a car, which would leave them about $7,000 left. Your payment's going to be approximately $150 a month. Now, another way to go about this is to take the $3,000, put it to the side, take $1,500, put down on the same car on the $10,000 loan. So now you're only going to owe $8,500 after you put down the $1,500. Your car payment is going to be $180 versus the $150 before. The remaining $1,500 you could take and you could divide it by 3 and open up 3 lines of credit. From what I've heard about building your credit, it's good to have 3 revolving lines of credit on your report. Now, you have 1, 2, 3 lines of $500, and you can Google secure credit cards, and the top 3 tend to come up, and you can send them the money, they'll send you a card. This will take a few weeks, but it's worth it to build your credit long term. Now, you take that extra $1,500 and you let it sit there on those lines of credit and you use them when you need it. Now, what's going to happen is, well, first of all, let me say you should always have cash reserves. I want to address the elephant in the room. I'm not saying spend all your money and buy a car. I'm just saying this is for somebody that's already going to put down $3,000. Number 1. 2, again, there are going to be other fees and things you have to think about. You're going to have 3 lines of credit in additional to the car payment. So there's 4 lines of credit, and if you pay them on time, you should have pretty decent credit. Now, the question I always get is, should I pay extra to build my credit? Well, I believe sometimes it costs money to build things, right? And if you don't build your credit and you don't spend this extra money, then you're going to pay more anyways. With bad credit, you're going to pay higher interest rates. Now, if you don't need this strategy, more power to you. But this is for the people that are trying to rebuild their credit, and this number works with $3,000 or $30,000. It doesn't matter what the number is, you can still use this strategy. It's Walter Coulter. Thanks for watching.